Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,850. So we expected a crude oil to stay in buying. So right after the opening, the price right away consolidated and it starts moving, and again we had a very big gain in crude oil. Price went near 5,048 and closed near 5,029. So after a very long time, the crude oil market had shown some price action above 5,000 levels, and it is a very critical area also. So what we can do today? Today also you can expect crude to open somewhere within 2,000, 5,020s and 30s. So today what we feel is that since in the last 2 days the market had provided a very sharp from, you could see from 4,600, now it is a 200-point gain in 2 days. Sorry, it's a 400-point gain in 2 days. So let's go for a market watch today. Let's wait for the price to consolidate and then we will take a trading decision. So it's going to be a market watch day as per our advice, and if you feel that if you want to still trade, wait for the price to hit various support levels we had marked as the support zones, and then you can average on few support levels by placing stop loss near 4,890. So 4,890 is going to be the stop loss if you still want to take some risk in crude oil market, expecting that the price can come and hit 5,060. So this is a very short target we have, and because we think that the price can drop and then give a bounce back. If it is right away giving a bounce back, book profit at 5,060 and exit from the market. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.